let's be real, content creation is a marathon, not a sprint. And honestly, most businesses and creators hit a wall and face literal burnout because the amount of content people want today is insatiable. And furthermore, until you start recruiting your employees or your customers to create content for you, you need a content strategy that's going to support all of the content you're gonna have to make in order to be consistent and show up. And here's the deal, whenever people start thinking about content, they start strong and they're all fired up, but then run out of ideas, or you start thinking,
oh, it's too hard.
You get stuck. You're not sure what to post next. And you're not alone. That is everyone who's tried to tackle and win this content game.
This endless content game.
But what if I told you that there is a system where you would never run out of content ideas again? I built an infinite content marketing ideas playbook that is the key to discovering a never-ending flow of content, so you absolutely never have to ask yourself again, what content am I going to create today? And this is through building your infinite content vault. It's the ultimate system to make sure that you're not only ready for the content you have to create today, but prepared for the content that's inevitably going to be expected tomorrow too. And this is through leveraging AI and tools so that not only are you creating content, but it's content that's in your brand's value and tone and consistent across all these platforms
that you're supposed to be on.
Insert the 7-11-4 rule. But here's the reason that most content creators fail and suffer burnout. And that's because they're trying to create content from scratch every single time. And that is not the best way to create a lasting strategy. Well, so the old way is to stare at a screen and hope that you're gonna come up with some brilliant idea. And the new way is to just go ask ChatGPT to do all the work for you. And there is a happy medium where you can create a system that is not only going to continuously have ideas flowing, but it's also going to provide those ideas within your brand values so that you're not just asking ChatGPT the same thing hundreds of thousands of other people are also asking it. And that's where the infinite content vault comes in. Think of the infinite content vault as your personal war chest. It's going to capture every idea you have in one convenient location, every conversation, every insight, every frequently asked question. And that's your content gold. It's also going to organize your content so that it is easy to repurpose. But furthermore, you could turn one idea into multiple pieces of content. What you see from the guys like Gary Vaynerchuk and Alex Hormozi is they take one long form piece of content and turn it into 50 smaller pieces of content. I mean, imagine this. Imagine you never have to scramble for an idea for content again. You imagine building a legacy of evergreen content that works for you and can be repurposed to work for you again. So if you're ready to stop scrambling for ideas, ready to build a legacy of evergreen content that works for you long after you post, so don't let your content idea well run dry or attempt to have to create content from scratch every single time. Build your infinite content vault today and watch your content work even harder than you do. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.